Welcome to the best picks. The best electric toothbrush is probably one of the most innovative oral hygiene tools available today. It combines the effectiveness of an electric toothbrush with the added benefit of a UV sanitizer, ensuring your brush is clean and ready for use. This video will dive deep into the features, benefits, and considerations of these advanced toothbrushes, helping you make an informed decision for a healthier smile. Number 5. Tao Clean Sonic Toothbrush and Cleaning Station. Introducing the Tao Clean Sonic Toothbrush System. This system is designed to elevate your daily oral care. The ergonomic handle fits comfortably in your hand. This toothbrush uses 40,000 tiny brush strokes per minute. It effectively sweeps away plaque and gently polishes away surface stains, leaving your teeth feeling clean and refreshed. Choose the perfect setting for your needs. It offers dual settings, super clean and sensitive clean. A built-in 2-minute timer pauses every 30 seconds to guide you through your brushing routine. Tao Clean products come with a 2-year warranty. This covers any manufacturer-related defects. The box includes a brush handle, base station, a brush head, a facial brush case, and a power adapter. Tao Clean is committed to delivering a wonderful user experience. Every product is built to meet high cleanliness standards. You can trust it to provide a superior clean. What we like. This toothbrush offers dual speed settings, allowing you to customize your brushing experience. It also comes with a 2-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. If you are looking for a reliable toothbrush with customizable settings and long-term support, you should consider this one. What people say. Makes my teeth feel dentist clean. Excellent product. Even decades of coffee stains are getting lighter. May not become purely white, but look better, plus mouth stays cleaner longer after I use this toothbrush. Awesome toothbrush set, love that it cleans itself and sterilizes. Number 4. Tao Clean Umma Kids Sonic Toothbrush and Sanitizing Station. Introducing a sonic toothbrush designed for kids aged 3 and up. This makes brushing time enjoyable for your little ones. It's a great way to encourage healthy habits. This product features a patented cordless UVC sanitizing docking station. It eliminates 99.9% of bacteria. The station also dries, protects, and charges the toothbrush. It includes a dentist-recommended 2-minute timer with auto shut-off. There are dual speed settings for a thorough yet gentle clean. Every 30 seconds, it reminds kids to move to the next section. The package includes a brush handle, docking station, and a hygienically sealed brush head. Also included are stickers to customize it, and a 2-year warranty. Batteries are not included. You can easily find replacement Umma Kids brush heads. They are available for purchase on Amazon.com. Keep the good oral hygiene going with ease. What we like. This toothbrush is specifically designed for kids, making brushing fun and effective. It includes a UV sanitizing station, ensuring a clean brush every time. If you have kids and want to encourage good oral hygiene habits, this is a great choice. What people say. These ones from Tao have the extra advantage of a built-in sanitizer. The stand lights up when the toothbrush is put in for cleaning, and they store neatly. Perfect size for kids' mouths, they love the stickers and the LED sanitation blew their minds. Number 3. Aquasonic Duo Pro Electric Toothbrush. This is the next generation of the Duo series. It features advanced technology for a superior clean. It's designed to give you a healthy smile. With 50,000 vibrations per minute, this toothbrush offers a customized oral care experience. It has 5 modes, including clean, soft, and whiten. This helps you achieve healthier teeth and gums. Enjoy the convenience of wireless charging and a long-lasting battery. You can use it for up to 30 days on a single charge. It's perfect for home or travel. The Duo Series Pro is waterproof with an IPX7 rating. The satin touch handle ensures a comfortable, non-slip grip. You can even brush in the shower with it. It includes 10 ProFlex brush heads, a UV sanitizing base, and 2 travel cases. This provides everything you need for a complete oral care routine. It's designed for convenience and hygiene. What we like. This toothbrush features wireless charging and comes with multiple brush heads, offering convenience and value. It also has multiple brushing modes to suit your needs. If you are looking for a toothbrush that offers convenience and long-term value, you should consider this one. What people say. My teeth feel clean and the timer is great for making sure I thoroughly brush. I like the 4 settings, and I usually go with the pulse setting. I like the infrared brush cleaner, it's a nice touch. Number 2. Aquasonic Black Series Pro Smart Toothbrush. This is the world's best smart toothbrush, now even better. It features cutting-edge technology, including a powerful motor and multiple modes for whitening and gum health. It also has built-in timers to help you brush effectively. With 5 unique modes, including clean, soft, and whiten, this toothbrush ensures complete oral care. The 50,000 VPM motor, along with smart timers and waterproof design, makes it both powerful and sleek. It has even earned the ADA seal for removing plaque and preventing gingivitis. Hygiene is a top priority, and this toothbrush addresses it with an auto-timed UV sanitizing chamber. It kills 99.99% of germs, preventing them from multiplying. The included travel case keeps it clean while you're on the go. The precisely angled Proflex brush heads have firmer center bristles and softer outer bristles. This allows you to tackle surface stains while being gentle on your gums. Each brush head lasts for 3 months, providing a 1.5 years of use. Inside, you'll find the Aquasonic Black Series Pro toothbrush, a UV sanitizing and wireless charging dock, 6 Proflex brush heads, a premium travel case, and an instruction manual. It has everything you need for a superior clean. What we like. This toothbrush is ADA approved, ensuring its effectiveness in removing plaque and preventing gingivitis. It also includes a UV sanitizing base to kill germs. If you prioritize oral health and want a toothbrush that meets high standards, you should consider this one. What people say. The brush offers 4 different modes: clean, soft, whiten, and massage. The brush is powered by sonic technology, providing 40,000 vibrations per minute. One of the standout features is the battery life. After a full charge, it lasts for weeks. The company claims it lasts up to 30 days on a single charge. I didn't have to worry about constantly recharging it, which made it very convenient. Number 1. Pursonic S450 Deluxe Plus Sonic Toothbrush. This is the Pursonic S450, a deluxe sonic toothbrush. It's designed to give you a superior clean, and it's packed with features to keep your mouth healthy. The Pursonic S450 uses powerful sonic vibrations, with 31,000 strokes per minute, to remove plaque and bacteria. It's a more effective clean than you're used to. This toothbrush features a built-in UV sanitizer. It kills 99.9% of bacteria and germs on the brush heads, ensuring a clean and healthy brushing experience. The UV sanitizer uses a germicidal UV bulb to eliminate bacteria in just 7 minutes. The sanitizing chamber can store up to 4 brush heads. The Pursonic S450 comes with 12 replacement brush heads in assorted colors. The easy-to-remove brush heads allow the whole family to use the main unit. It's a rechargeable sonic toothbrush with 3 operating modes: high, soft, and massage. It offers a customized cleaning experience for everyone. What we like. This toothbrush has a built-in UV sanitizer to eliminate bacteria, ensuring a clean brushing experience. It also comes with multiple brush heads, providing great value. If you like a toothbrush with a built-in sanitizer and plenty of brush heads, you should consider this one. What people say. I like these units because they come with the covered toothbrush holder, which keeps everything a lot more tidy and sanitary. It also does a great job of brushing. The timer is perfect, the smallest amount of toothpaste is needed, and my teeth feel clean and smooth after every use. My gums are nice and healthy. I like the covered storage compartment and the fact that it has a lift-out tray, and if the ultraviolet light really does sanitize the heads, well, that's a bonus to me. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.